Hi, I'm Jaakko. I'm the CEO and co-founder at Feedbackly. And welcome to the CX Academy, your one-stop course to better customer experience and customer journey management. Now, on this course, you will effectively learn how to create those winning customer experiences and the happiest customers in the world consistently. Also, after this course, you will receive a certification from our partner, CX Forum, to prove that you have taken those first steps to becoming a real customer experience professional. In this course, we will start from the basics and learn what is customer experience, how you can measure them and manage them, starting from the different pieces of customer journey. We're going to also look into the building blocks of customer journey and winning experiences, starting from the employee experience programs and how you can actually build those. Moving towards the other parts of the customer journey, all the way into the future and looking what is coming ahead for different customer journey strategies and customer experiences in the field of AI, neural networks, and predictive analytics so that you can stay ahead of the industry. Now we know that your time is valuable, so we have pieced down this course into 10-minute bits and pieces to make your life easier and to have the course consumable anywhere at any place. And to get started, just click down below and we'll see you at the course.